Many of Middlesex County College Library's databases provide citations for the articles you find there. This tutorial shows you how to fix the indentation and spacing of these citations after you paste them into Word. We'll use Academic Search Premier as an example for this tutorial. In this database, the Cite tool is on the right side of the screen when viewing the full record for an article. Click it, then scroll down to the format you're interested in. This procedure works equally well for MLA, APA, and Chicago style, but for this example, we'll use MLA. Highlight the citation, then right-click or type Ctrl-C to copy it. Go into Word and paste the citation either by right-clicking or by typing Ctrl-V. If you're given the option for multiple clipboards, the middle or left one that says Keep Source Formatting is usually the best because it preserves some of the formatting that you need, such as italics. Now, highlight the entire citation and right-click. A pop-up menu opens up. Choose Paragraph. This opens up a small window. In the section for indentation, where it says Special, click the drop-down menu and choose Hanging. Next, the line spacing should be changed to double. Double spacing is required in MLA, APA, and Chicago style. Finally, make sure the spacing before and after is set to 0. If there is a checkbox that says Don't add space between paragraphs of the same style, make sure it's checked, although this version of Word does not have that. Click OK. Next, consider the font you're using. No specific font is required in MLA or APA, but check with your professor about this. He or she may have a preference. If you're unsure of which font to use, Times New Roman is a safe choice. The standard font size is usually 12. Now the layout of the citation looks good. However, please be aware that many of the citations you get from the databases are not perfect. Compare the format of the citation you're given with examples from the MLA or APA guides available from the library, or use an online guide such as Excelsior OWL at owl.excelsior.edu. One obvious problem with this citation is that the author's name and the title of the article are in all capital letters, which is a common problem with citations from Academic Search Premier. This is wrong in both MLA and APA format and needs to be fixed. Another problem is that in MLA format, a citation for a magazine article should not include an issue number, so that must be removed. An additional minor issue with this citation is that the name of the database we searched is actually Academic Search Premier, not EBSCOhost. EBSCOhost is a family of databases, not just one, so if you want to be technically correct, the database name should be changed to Academic Search Premier. One other problem is the web address. It wouldn't work from off-campus because it doesn't include the Middlesex County College prefix. To make it truly correct, go back to the database and choose Permalink. Then copy and paste that address into your citation. But, according to the newest edition of MLA, the HTTPS should be removed. Now that we have one citation formatted, Word should automatically apply most of the formatting to any additional ones pasted in later. Then the citations should be listed in alphabetical order. That's the end of this tutorial. If you need additional help with citing sources or any research question, please don't hesitate to contact a reference librarian.